Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor toys that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Banzai Cool Canopy Bouncer. The Banzai Cool Canopy Outdoor Toys for 4-year-olds is the perfect outdoor toy for 4-year-olds. It will provide you with endless fun and excitement. This outdoor toy for 4-year-olds features a shaded inflatable backyard bounce house jumper. It provides you with protection from the sun's harmful rays while your kids enjoy their playtime. This bouncer comes with an air cushion slide, offering an additional fun activity for your kids. The Canopy Bouncer also features mesh walls that allow for constant airflow and visibility. It ensures that your kids can play safely while you keep an eye on them. This bouncer is crafted from high-quality polyvinyl chloride, PVC, material, ensuring its durability and sturdiness. With a maximum weight of 250 pounds, this bouncer can handle multiple kids at once. The fun features and superior durability make this outdoor toy for 4-year-olds our top choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the MotoWorks Toy Rocket Launcher. The MotoWorks Rocket Outdoor Toys for 4-year-olds provide harmless and dynamic entertainment for kids. It allows children to burn up all that extra energy while having the time of their lives. This outdoor toy for 4-year-olds comes with 8 rockets and 1 launcher. So, there are plenty of opportunities for kids to enjoy launching rockets into the sky and chasing them. These rockets can soar up to an impressive 100 feet, offering an exciting and thrilling experience for your little ones. This toy rocket launcher is made from durable and reliable foam. This can ensure that the rockets can withstand the wear and tear of regular use. Plus, it features a fold-away design, making it easy to store and transport when not in use. This compact design ensures that your kids take their rocket launching fun with them wherever they go. At number 3, we have the PGXT Parachute Toy. The PGXT Parachute Outdoor Toys for 4-year-olds is designed to offer endless hours of fun. Made of high-quality nylon, this toy is designed to land slowly. It mimics the real-life landing situations of parachutes. As a result, children can improve their manipulative abilities, operational skills, intelligence, and creativity. As a result, it's an educational and entertaining toy. Unlike battery-operated toys, this parachute toy is incredibly easy for kids to operate on their own. They can simply toss the parachute toy high into the air and watch it fly. The toy provides a sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. Also, this parachute toy is made out of non-toxic material, ensuring that your little ones can play safely. This parachute toy makes for a perfect gift for children because it offers both entertainment and educational value. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion, this parachute toy will bring joy to any child. At number 2, we have the Fun Forts Glow Fort Building Kit. The Fun Forts Glow Fort Outdoor Toys for 4-year-olds is the perfect toy for curious-minded kids who love to create and explore. This outdoor toy for 4-year-olds comes with 53 connecting rods that glow in the dark. You'll also get 28 multi-link spheres. Together, these pieces create a unique and engaging building experience for kids. With this toy, children can build an endless variety of play tent structures, forts, tunnels, and more. This STEM toy promotes problem-solving, critical thinking, and spatial awareness. As such, it is an educational and entertaining outdoor toy. This kit comes with a building guide to provide your child with inspiration and ideas for various structures. That way, kids can get started on their creations. This toy is made of kid-safe, BPA-free plastic. As a result, you won't have to worry about your child being harmed by dangerous chemicals or substances. And finally at number 1, we have the iLearn Kids Golf Toy Set. The iLearn Golf Outdoor Toys for 4-year-olds has everything your child needs to enjoy a game of golf. It comes with a ball-to-tee trainer, 15 golf balls, 1 club, and 3 club heads, including 1 putter, 1 left driver head, and 1 right driver head. This outdoor toy for 4-year-olds can help children develop their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This golf set also encourages children to enhance their observational and judgment-related skills as they play. This can help them become more aware of their surroundings. That way, kids can make better decisions both on and off the golf course. This set features adjustable drivers that allow kids to customize their golf clubs in ways that suit their preferences and skill levels. Even better, this golf set boasts iron joints, so you won't have to worry about it breaking or wearing out anytime soon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.